Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add an RSS feed to your Slack channels. Let's get started. Go to Bots and Alerts section and click Add Bot under the Slack icon. Now sign into your workspace and click Continue. A permission request from our News Alerts bot will appear. Click Allow to add our bot. Once the bot is connected, choose the feed or bundle you want to add a Slack alert to. For this tutorial, we'll use the Google News feed as an example. Now we need to select our Slack channel for alerts. If you're selecting a public Slack channel, simply choose it from the drop-down menu and click Save. However, if you're trying to add the bot to a private channel, you'll need to additionally add our bot here first. To do this, go to Channel Details, then Integrations. Find the News Alerts bot and click Add to include it in the private channel. Once added, you'll be able to select the private channel in the alert settings. The bot will then immediately start sending the latest posts to the selected channel. Now let's check alert settings, where you can change name and upload a custom avatar for the bot to give it a more personalized look that fits brand or channel theme. You can also customize the card elements. The live preview will show you exactly how the post will look as you adjust the options. Additionally, you can customize the embed colors as well. You can also choose to send only URLs without any additional content by selecting that option. Keep in mind that embeds for URLs are managed entirely by Slack, and the loading process is handled exclusively on their side, so you won't have any control over how they appear. That's it. If you have any questions or need assistance, just click on the Help Center button in the bottom corner of the screen to reach our support team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.